Self-practice 5.3, question 1. Find the sum of the following arithmetic progressions. Okay, let's look at A. So, sum of arithmetic progression, we have two different formulas. One is n over 2, A plus L. The other one is n over 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D. So the first one, we can use when we have the first term and the last term. The second one, when we don't have the last term, you can just put in your A and your common difference, then you can find. Okay, so let's put this aside first. Okay, let's look at this question. We have our A. A is negative 20. A is the first term. And then D. We can find the D. So here negative 20 becomes 15 by adding 5. 15 becomes 10 by plus 5. So we can say D is positive 5. But we don't know n here. So what we can do is, we need to find the n. We know the nth term is 100. So we can say Tn is 100. The formula for Tn is A plus n minus 1D equals to 100. So we need to find this n. We sub in the values now. A is negative 20, n minus 1, D is 5. Okay, then we use our calculator. So negative 20 we bring over here will become positive 20. And then 5 we bring over here becomes divide by 5. So we get n minus 1 is 24. Therefore n is 25. Okay. So now that we have n, we can go ahead and find the sum. So this one I erase first. So we can use any of these formulas lah, because we have AL. We can use this one as well, since we have A, N and D. We have everything. Okay, let's just choose the first one since it looks a bit easier. So Sn, or we can say S25, is 25 over 2. A is the first term, L is the last term. So negative 20 plus 100. over 2, negative 20 plus 100. We get 1000. So sum of the first 25 terms will be 1000. Okay, so 100 is the 25th term lah. That is what we found earlier. Okay. B. So here we have A. A is the first term, which is 3 over 5. This one. Then we need to find D. Okay, D is, how did this become this? How did this become this? So 3 over 5 became 6 over 5. So it's plus another 3 over 5. 6 over 5 became 9 over 5. So this one also plus 3 over 5. Okay, if you're unsure, what you can do is, you can just use the formula. We can do T2 minus T1. So 6 over 5 minus 3 over 5 gets us 3 over 5. Or you can also do T3 minus T2, so you get the same thing. Okay, so our D is also 3 over 5. Oops. D is 3 over 5. And then we want to find the first 23 terms. So n is 23. Okay, so let's sub all of this into this equation. So Sn, or specifically S23, is 23 over 2. 2 times A plus n minus 1 D. Okay. 23 over 2, 2 times 3 over 5, plus 23 minus 3 is 22 times 3 over 5. You get 165.6. So the sum of the first 23 terms will be 165.6. That's it.